How to restore shine to porcelain tile floors at home. Dear friends, porcelain tile floors are known for their durability and beautiful appearance, but over time, they can lose their shine due to dirt, residue, and daily wear. The good news is that you can restore their glossy look right at home without expensive products. Start by thoroughly sweeping or vacuuming the floor. Dust, sand, and small debris can scratch the tile surface and make it look dull. Removing loose dirt is the first step toward bringing back the shine. Next, prepare a cleaning solution using warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap. Mop the floor gently, making sure not to use too much soap, as excess residue can leave a cloudy film on the tiles. For stubborn stains or dull spots, mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Apply the solution with a soft mop and allow it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly with clean water. This helps remove mineral deposits and soap buildup. After cleaning, dry the floor with a microfiber cloth or dry mop. Allowing water to air dry can leave streaks and reduce the shine you work to restore. If your porcelain tiles have a polished finish, buff them lightly with a clean microfiber cloth. This simple step can instantly enhance their natural luster. By following these easy maintenance tips regularly, your porcelain tile floors will stay bright, clean, and beautifully shiny for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.